Top of the morning to ya! Today we're decorating some leprechaun boot cookies, so grab your icing, put on your decorating hat or your leprechaun hat, and let's make some magical treats fit for a leprechaun. All the supplies are listed in the description. So I'm starting out just by putting a little sole on these leprechaun shoes, so just grab your black icing in at least a 15-second consistency and just pipe a thick line along the bottom of the shoe. Use your scribe if needed to settle down any peaks or bumps. And then move up to the top of the shoe and add in your strap, your belt, and outline and flood in a small rectangle for that. And use your scribe to make sure that the icing gets all the way down to the cookie and that it's smooth. We don't want any craters in this area. And then set your cookie in front of a fan or in a dehydrator to dry. And once the black icing has crusted over, which usually takes about 15 minutes where I live, I'm just going to outline and flood in the rest of the cookie with my lime green royal icing. I'm really enjoying the lime green this St. Patrick's Day. I don't know why, but I just am not in a dark green kind of mood. St. Patrick's Day is a fun holiday that we've always celebrated in my house. We turn everything green. The milk is green, the pancakes are green, everything's green. Even the toilet water is green. That leprechaun, I tell ya. Has the leprechaun ever visited your house? Tell me the craziest thing that he's ever done. Leave me a note in the comments. I'd love to hear. But anyway, I outlined and flooded in this cookie with the green royal icing, and I'm just using my scribe to get the icing all the way out to the edges. I didn't want to overflow the borders of the cookie. And then I'm going to set this little boot back in front of the fan to dry. And once the icing has crusted over, I can come back in with my orange royal icing in at least a 15-second consistency and just do a little belt buckle here on the belt, and then this cookie will be finished. Use your scribe to settle down any bumps or peaks if you need to, and then set it back aside to dry. And maybe, just maybe, this year we'll actually catch the leprechaun as he tries to step into these shoes. What do you think? Will we get that lucky? Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you found it useful. Stay tuned, there'll be lots of St. Patrick's Day cookies coming up this week, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.